Press conference. Ang unang-una po, ito po yung paghuli sa Chinese national na nagpapakilalang Filipino. To give us the opening statement, Regional Director Ferdinand M. David. Sir.
Thank you, Chief. Good morning, everyone. The National Bureau of Investigation under Director Judge Jaime Santiago presents today two accomplishments by the NBI, one from our Cavite District Office under Attorney Peter Lugay, another foreign national who cancelled her identity, faked her identity, came into the country using false identity, and was caught by our agents from Cavite at the airport. To give you the details of the case, we have here the Chief Attorney Lugay.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Si Jun Wang Si Jun was arrested by combined personnel of NBI and Bureau of Immigration last July 13, 2025. After which he was turned over to us by the immigration for further verification and investigation. And yesterday, July 28, we filed a case against her recommending series of violation for criminal offenses against her with the Taguig Prosecutor's Office. So as of now, she will be undergoing the preliminary investigation conducted by that office.
This case finds forensic support when the fingerprints of the subject of the accused were compared. The fingerprints appearing on the documents used before she applied with the Board of Investment, and also the documents used, the documents used, the application for issuance of Philippine passport, the fingerprints appearing thereon were compared. And there was a match. We have here Dr. Candy, the Chief of our Dactyloscopy Division, sir.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Noong pong March 24, nag-request po sa amin ng NBI Cavite District Office para sa examination po ng fingerprint ni Kasia Palma Polikit. Na-submit po sa amin ng fingerprint na nakuha po nila sa Board of Investment at na-compare po namin sa fingerprint na nag-apply siya ng NBI clearance. Ang findings po namin pareho. Pero sa parehong pangalan din po yun. Kaya nung pong July 1, nag-request po uli ang Cavite District Office for comparison and analysis of fingerprint na nakuha rin po sa biometric printout ng Department of Foreign Affairs. Ang tatlong fingerprint po na nakuha namin po ng Board of Investment, Department of Foreign Affairs at sa NBI ay na-match po sa namin sa biometric printout ni Xu Jun Wang nang mag-apply po siya ng NBI clearance noong July 2021. Sa aming pong comparison, nag-match po ang kanilang mga fingerprint. In comparison of fingerprints, one print is enough to identify the person. Kaya we are always following the first case in the Philippines. We need only 10 identical prints characteristics. Required po yun. Sa tatlong fingerprint po niya, may nakita po tayo na isa po ay nakakuha tayo ng 17 points, 16 points, and 20 identical characteristics. Kaya ito po yung ang mga enlarged photograph ng kanyang mga fingerprints. Sa comparison po ng mga fingerprints, ngayon po nakaka-check po tayo na si Kasia Palma Pulikit, ay siya rin si Xiu Jun Wang, na isa pong Chinese national. Ang aming pong findings, our findings is not only based on the dogmatic principles of fingerprint, because in NBI forensic, especially in dactyloscopy, we are always following and we are guided by the golden rules of forensic by the French pathologist, Dr. Paul Camille Hippolyte Bordel. And he says, and I quote, "If the law has made you a witness, remain a man of science. You have no victim to avenge, no guilty, no innocent person to ruin or save. You must bear testimony within the limits of science."
May katanungan po. Yes, sir, you are recognized.
Director Ferdinand, may katanungan tayo. Si Kasia na ibisigan natin yung background niya, yung dati, negosyante ba yan? Matagal na naniniraan sa Pilipinas. At yung talagang actually matagal na nakatira sa Pilipinas, activity ginagawa niya?
The information made available dun sa kanyang application with BOI is that she is a businesswoman. At she came in 2021. This is another type of an Alice Go OK case where there is a concealment of identity. We are banking on our forensic here and tip or information from the public. This is a this is an intelligence-driven operation. Our agents received an information and we would like to thank the public for their support and cooperation. Marami pa ito at iniisa-isa ito ng NBI, may mahigpit na kabilinan ng ating butihing direktor na isa-isahin ito. We do not know what they are here for.
Sir, pangalawang question lang. Meron ba kaya ibang katsaba, ibang tao, taga-gobyerno o EGL, mga sindikato?
Agent LaGuardia, the agent on case, may answer, madam.
Yes, sir. Good morning. So we're still verifying if the subjects is in cohorts with other individuals. So we're conducting further investigation, sir.
Thank you.
Question? May magtatanong po? Yes, sir. Sir JP, then followed by Sir Gab of DCMN. Yes, from GMA, sir, you are recognized.
Sir, may I just ask, we understand the illegal, obviously you're investigating the alleged falsification and the illegal immigration status of the suspect. Pero what led you, was she involved in other illegal activities? Nag-lead sa investigation niyo, bakit talaga siya nahuli? Mayroon bang POGO involvement and everything? Ano po? Thank you.
This is part of the cleansing process ng ating mga foreign nationals. We are not limiting our search to a particular group like Chinese nationals. We are covering every foreign national here present in the country, whether they are involved in concealing their identity and the reason for their stay in the Philippines. For now, it would appear that businesswoman siya. But nip in the bud ito, so to speak, no? Kailangan putulin na kaagad. We do not want to progress yung kanyang other activities like what happened to the former mayor of Bombat, no? Na naging elected public official pa. So wherever they are, whatever they may be doing, for as long as we receive information, the whole NBI will be after you and we will utilize our forensic support.
But at the moment, sir, walang indication of connection to cases ng
As we speak, wala pang indication, but the agents are backtracking. They are conducting a continuing investigation on this.
Alright, one last, si Gar ng DCML.
Good morning po. Sir, kanina po nabanggit niyo na marami pa po ito. Meron na po ba tayong mga hawak na mga posibleng suspect na kagaya po ng kaso nitong Chinese po na ito, sir?
Our intelligence service has received information but nipetting kami ng information at tinitingnan namin kung sigurado kami using our forensic capability.
Alright, sir. Then, confirm ko na lang din po, ito po bang si Wang Shujun ay involved po sa sale of electric vehicles? Tama po ba, sir?
Agent on case, please. Thank you.
Yes, there's an information in the social media that she is engaged in selling of the modernized jeepney. But we're still verifying it. But based on the post of this, the social media account of the company wherein she is involved, they are engaged in public transport and yung modernized jeepney.
Ito pong modernized jeepney po na ito rin po ba yung binibili ng pamahalaan for the PUP modernization program?
We're still verifying.
Thank you po.
At this point, we will now be having the closing message of our spokesperson. Sir?
We remember that many press cons ago, pinahuli ang NBI na espionage, yung spy. And the very first accomplishment by the NBI concerning espionage case, ang sinabi nung una that they are monitoring the thoroughfares, the highways, the roads, if you remember that. The investigation is into that direction. Korektado ba ito? May kinalaman ba ito? Thank you.
On that note, dito po nagtatapos yung unang kaso. 1 minute break for the second case.